Great. So now you have entered SCenic Viewer, which is a visualization tool for single cell RNA-seq dataset visualization. So this is the landing page or the home page for SCenic Viewer. I do want to mention that there is a 5-minute timeout. So if you let this application idle for 5 minutes, it will automatically time out and exit and bring you back to the applications library page. So once you are here, you can see the plots over here are just fillers. In order to load your data set, all you have to do is click Browse under Choose a File. Once you click Browse, this will list all the available RDS objects that you have access to within Horizon. And once again, this will only list the RDS objects. So as you can see, I have a variety of different RDS objects that I have uploaded to Horizon. I'm just going to select the demo dataset and click Select. And this will initiate loading of the RDS objects. Just give it a few seconds. Excellent. Once your RDS objects have loaded, you will see that the UMAP will be immediately visualized as shown right here.